I'm Kate, and I want to teach you how to set different notification sounds for different apps on Android. The joy of custom notification sounds is about to be yours. Are you tired of the same old, boring notification sound for every app? Well, buckle up, friend. It's time to level up your Android game and give each app its own unique sound. I mean, think about it. You'll be like a notification ninja, slicing through the noise and knowing exactly which app needs your attention. You prioritize like a pro, with critical apps getting their own special sound effects. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. You just head down to settings, click on notification, click on more. Then you select the particular app whose notification you want to customize. Then click on notification categories. Now you can see all the notification categories. You should select which one you want to customize. Now to customize my message notification, you click on that, then you scroll down to sound, and from here you click on the sound you want. You get creative with those sounds, and you can do this for every app. So what are you waiting for? Give your apps their own soundtrack and become the master of notification domains. You can thank me by clicking the like button and subscribing to the channel. Till next time, bye bye.